Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm a local Chinese living in China, so I'm a native speaker of Chinese. I will use my experience and teaching experience to teach you how to write and say Chinese. Just like a native speaker. So today I will share with you a very useful phrase like take the rough with the smooth. So which means 既能吃苦也能享乐，既能享乐也能吃苦。Which means take the rough with the smooth. So for example, when you are promoted, you get a promotion. So which means a higher salary and more power. But which also means the hard work and long working time. Okay, so let's go to my pad and I will show you how to speak it and how to write it in Chinese. Take the rough with the smooth. So I will write to you in English. So which means take the rough with the smooth. So just I will write it now. I write it in Chinese. Change another color, like 技能享乐也能吃苦。Right? Just use this phrase will be used for the situation like you are promoted. So you have more power, you have higher salary, but you must work harder, even more harder, and to work more. More working time for you. So that's the you need to take the advantage and disadvantage at the same time. Okay, so now I will note it with 拼音技能享乐也能吃苦。So that's Chinese 拼音. So take the rough, which means 也能吃苦 with the smooth. With 既能享乐也能吃苦。Take the rough with the smooth. 既能享乐也能吃苦 which means 既能享乐 with the smooth 也能吃苦 take the rough. So it's a very useful phrase for your daily conversation with your Chinese colleague or with a Chinese friend. You can see you are a person with ability to have the ability to take the rough with the smooth. 既能享乐也能吃苦。你学会了没有？ Okay, so just thumb up this video and subscribe the channel to avoid missing future updates. So see you next time. Peace.